How OCPS has helped you improve your communication skills in general and confidence in specific?
OCP has been very useful in improving my communication skills and confidence. Through this course, I've learned how to express my ideas more clearly in casual and more formal settings. The improvement in speaking and my presentations, it gave me a regular practice in speaking in front of crowds and others. At first, I felt nervous about speaking up, but with the constant encouragement and feedback from Sir Nisar, I felt more confident and comfortable presenting my thoughts, even in more uncomfortable settings. My both verbal and non-verbal communication, like tone, gestures, and body language, has also helped me become a more better speaker overall.
To what extent OCPS has met the requirements of students' needs of their communication skills?
The course has done a great job in meeting the communication needs for students and for myself as well. It focuses on practical skills, real-world examples, and settings. For example, it not only helped with public speaking, but also improved my day-to-day communication to present myself effectively. This course includes a learning style. Whether a student is shy or more advanced, there's something for everyone to learn. Overall, OCPS goes beyond just teaching the basics. It gives students the tools and strategies to handle communication with challenges with confidence.
To what extent the course facilitator has catered the needs of every individual in the class and helped them to improve in all domains of speech hiccups?
The course facilitator, Sir Nisar, has been very effective in addressing individuals' needs. They created a support environment where everyone felt comfortable in practicing during sessions or faculty pays. Close and specific feedbacks tailored to our areas of improvement. For example, some students needed help with pronunciation, while others guided each other for overcoming their issues. By using both group and one-to-one activities, the Sir Nisar ensured that no one was left out. This personalized approach made a big difference in improving my fluency and confidence in speaking.
What do you specifically remember from the content of this course that will help you in long term in your speech presentation at university level?
For me, one of the most memorable lessons was learning how to structure a presentation using strong introduction, clear main points, a hook, or a conclusion that leaves an impact. This approach made it much easier for me to organize my thoughts and deliver in a way to improve my non-verbals and verbals, aligning them in such a way that managing pauses and emphasizing key points. I also remember practicing techniques to stay calm under pressure, like a deep breathing technique, which will definitely help during university presentation. These skills will not make me a better speaker in academics, but also in professional environment later on.
Share your all-over experience of the course in terms of content delivery, class engagements, and instructor command over the course content.
My overall experience with OCPS has been very positive. The content was very well structured and covered all the important areas of communication, from public speaking to active listening. The instructor did a great job of explaining complex topics in a simple and readable way. Role-playing, the class engagement like a debate, role-playing, or group discussion made the sessions interactive and enjoyable. The instructor's depth of knowledge and the subject was evident, and they kept the class motivated. By using real-life examples and scenarios, I feel that this course has equipped me with tools that I need to communicate effectively in both academic and professional environments. Thank you.